So we have 5 blue and yellow stand up, don't knock over things. And then we have 5 cones. What we're going to do is Marshall's going to demonstrate with Brayden. You're going to start, so Marshall's going to start at the tall pegs, and then Brayden, you're going to start at the cones. What you're going to do is you're going to run, look, you're going to run up to each cone, okay? And Marshall's going to run up to each one. When you get to each one, you have to pass the football. And then we'll pass again at the next one. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so, Marshall, where are you going to go stand to start? We have to use a proper football though, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go stand at that one over there.
In this video, the instructor uses short, clear verbal instructions and a whiteboard to clearly draw out the activity. Using these strategies provides a clear representation of the instructions so participants know exactly where to go and what to do during the activity.
Run! Woo! And stop! Stop. Pass!
Oh,
good job! Stop, pass!
Excellent.